Yeah, today we present a new model which is known as OptMaintainer. This is a fine-tuned model of the Opt family which we have at Tech Optima, and OptGPT, which is an generative AI platform, privatized one for an individual as well as for the enterprises. And similarly with the Opt family models, whatever we were building, and it was foundational model which we first arrived at as OptGPT, and now we are fine tuning that particular model to the different industries and to the different way. And today we are presenting OptMaintainer LLM. Basically it's been fine tuned on the OptGPT model, and we have trained and fine tuned this particular model on the sensor logs and the maintenance reports, such as wherever you collect it from the manufacturing industries, and their temperatures and their wear and tear kind of data and all that basically. And we were able to normalize the data according to the time series and feature engineered to get the anomalies out of it. And we have used the greatest and best fine tuning techniques which are already there. And by using this particular model, what does people really get out? Basically it reduces the downtime, and it improves the root cause analysis, optimizes the maintenance cost, and seamlessly this particular model can integrate with whatever the industrial AI applications or whatever the industrial legacy systems which you are using pretty much. And this is how this use case can be presented and this model can be used. And this is the sample data which pretty much we get, and we activate our OptGPT and we fine tune it to the next level, and pretty much it gives us the explanation basically of the model, how and how does the failures happen, or what was the root cause analysis for particular things, what was the wear and tear in the industrial occurrence due to the combination of the factors and all that basically. And it gives you the suggestions also, and it gives you the recommendations what we can do really better, right? So this is none other than the OptMaintainer, the LLM. Thank you.